The legend is back, but it's not quite what you remember. This is far more than just a simple facelift. Today, we're breaking down all 6 shocking changes in the 2026 Toyota Hilux that you need to see to believe. Let's go. 1. The aggressive exterior revolution. The first thing that hits you is the look. The familiar, almost friendly face of the Hilux has been replaced by something far more aggressive and futuristic. This is a massive departure from the truck's purely utilitarian roots. The front end is dominated by a bold hexagonal mesh grille and sharp new LED headlights. It's a look that screams confidence and modernity, moving the Hilux away from being just a tool and into the realm of style. But it's not just about aggression, it's about sophistication. The body lines are sharper, the fenders have more defined creases, and new contemporary taillights update the rear. Even functional elements have been rethought, like an integrated rear step behind the wheels for better bed access. The most shocking visual change, however, comes with the BEV, or Battery Electric Vehicle, variant. It does away with the traditional grille entirely, opting for a clean, futuristic snout that signifies its all-electric heart. While the core ladder frame structure remains, this redesign is so comprehensive that it completely transforms the truck's personality. 2. The interior jumps into the modern era. For as long as anyone can remember, the Hilux interior has been a sea of hard, durable plastics. Functional? Yes, but comfortable and modern? Not so much. That all changes now. And this might be the single biggest shock for longtime Hilux owners. The 2026 model features a cabin that has been completely redesigned from the ground up, and it is a technological leap forward. The centerpiece of this transformation is the technology. Gone are the days of a tiny, dated screen. Higher trims now boast a massive 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster and a central infotainment touchscreen that is also up to 12.3 inches. This system is available with wireless Apple CarPlay, an Android Auto, embedded navigation, and over-the-air update capabilities. Finally, bringing the Hilux into the modern era of connectivity. But Toyota hasn't forgotten the truck's purpose. While some competitors move to frustrating touch controls, Toyota has brilliantly retained physical buttons and chunky dials for crucial off-road and climate settings. This means you can still easily operate the 4-wheel drive modes and differential lock, even with gloves on. The materials are a world away from the old truck, with soft-touch surfaces and more comfortable seats. 3. The 48-volt hybrid heartbeat. For years, the heart of the Hilux has been its unkillable 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine. It's famous for its torque and reliability. The good news? That legendary engine remains. The shocking news is how Toyota has evolved it. For 2026, the 2.8-liter diesel is now paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. Now, don't mistake this for a full Prius-style hybrid. You can't drive on electric power alone. Think of it as an electric assistant for the diesel engine. This system uses a small lithium-ion battery and an electric motor generator to provide several key benefits. First, it smooths out the engine's stop-start function, making city driving much more refined. Second, it provides a small electric boost during acceleration, which helps with responsiveness and makes the truck feel quicker off the line. 4. The all-electric Hilux is here. If the mild hybrid was an evolution, this next change is a full-blown revolution. For the first time in its history, the unbreakable Hilux is going fully electric. Yes, you heard that right. The 2026 lineup introduces the Hilux BEV, a battery electric model that trades diesel for electrons. This is arguably the most radical and shocking change Toyota has ever made to its iconic pickup. The Hilux BEV is powered by a 59.2 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery, which feeds 2 electric motors, one on the front axle and one on the rear, creating a permanent all-wheel drive system. The combined output is 144 kilowatts, which is impressively close to the diesel's power figure, and it delivers instant torque for snappy acceleration. Toyota has engineered the BEV to be just as tough as its siblings, with the battery pack protected within the ladder frame chassis and the same 700mm weighting depth as the internal combustion models. 5. A new level of off-road intelligence. The Hilux has always been a beast off-road, relying on mechanical toughness and driver skill. But for 2026, it's getting smarter. While the fundamental body-on-frame construction remains, Toyota has implemented significant upgrades to both the suspension and the electronic driver aids, creating a truck that's not only tough, but also intelligent. First, the suspension has been reworked across the lineup. Engineers have developed different suspension tunes for different trims, offering a heavy-duty setup for work-focused models and a more comfort-oriented tune for higher-end grades. This addresses a long-standing criticism of the Hilux: its often harsh ride when unladen. The goal was to deliver a smoother highway ride without sacrificing the articulation needed for serious off-road work. The biggest leap in intelligence comes with the new multi-terrain select system, a feature borrowed from its more advanced SUV siblings. This allows the driver to select different modes like rock, sand, or mud, and the truck's computers will automatically adjust torque delivery and brake control to optimize traction. All models also benefit from the move to electric power steering, which not only makes maneuvering easier, but also reduces kickback on rough trails. These enhancements prove that while the Hilux is embracing the future with new technology, it's using that tech to become even more capable when the pavement ends. 6. The lineup and price shakeup. The final big change isn't about a specific feature, but about strategy and availability. In many key markets, the Hilux lineup is seeing a significant shift. For instance, some smaller engine options are being phased out in certain regions in favor of making the new 2.8-liter mild hybrid the core powertrain. This consolidation, combined with all the new technology, suggests the entry price for a new Hilux may be higher in those markets. The choices for body styles are also being focused. In Europe, for example, the new powertrain options are centered heavily on the double cab. The 48-volt battery for the mild hybrid system is located under the rear seats, making it a natural fit for dual cab models, though availability in other body styles will be market dependent. So there you have it, a bold new design, a revolutionary tech-filled interior, an efficient mild hybrid diesel, a game-changing all-electric model, smarter off-road capability, and a major lineup and pricing shakeup. The updated 2026 Toyota Hilux is a radical departure from its predecessors. It's an audacious attempt to blend its legendary indestructibility with the technology, efficiency, and refinement that today's market demands. Toyota is betting big that it can teach an old dog new tricks without losing its soul. The question is, have they succeeded? Does this high-tech electrified truck still have the heart of a Hilux? What do you think of the new design and the move toward electric power? Let us know in the comments below.